Today, Southern Gardening is at Rivers Greenhouse and Garden Center in Brandon, Mississippi, checking out their awesome selection of Calibrachoa plants. Calibrachoa, commonly known as million bells or trailing petunia, is a genus of plants belonging in the Solanaceae family. Renowned for its abundant, bell-shaped flowers and trailing growth habit, it is a popular choice for hanging baskets and containers. Superbells Magic Pink Lemonade is a gorgeous plant that features stunning pink-yellow blended color blooms with a yellow throat, reminiscent of pink lemonade. One of my favorites, Superbells Double Redstone, is a plant with beautiful bright red double blooms that have yellow highlights on the edges of the flower petals. These eye-catching blooms have high impulse appeal and pair perfectly with other strong colors like royal purple. Speaking of royal purple, Colibri Plum has stunning purple blooms with bright yellow throats. Another one of my favorites, and not just because of its name, is Superbells Holy Cow. Its flowers are fun and flirty, with a soft yellow base overlain with pink splotches and dark yellow centers. Regular watering and fertilizing with a water-soluble fertilizer are necessary to support healthy growth and prolific flowering of all Calibrachoa varieties. Consider trying any of these beautiful Calibrachoa plants in your containers and hanging baskets this year. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.